Just record in case any interesting things happen.
Anything amazing happens.
Amazing. And she is on. Beautiful. This needs to be on the video. Look at this, guys. This is true commitment. Give me a cha-ching. There we go. I've never been through this tunnel. What a sound!
My shoulder muscles are getting so toned.
Oh yeah?
Like I can see in the mirror.
Nice. I'll check you out when we get to Dalma. Now it's just kind of scooting over here. Hello, Mr. Opal guy. Hello, Mr. Loriza guy. Oh, fuck yeah. And that is how I met your mother, kids. Can you hear me chew?
What?
Can you hear me chew?
No, I can barely hear you.
Aw.
Yell.
You can open up your helmet for now.
For like 15 seconds.
No, we're gonna go slow here. This is a slow road. To be so emotional, honey. Ow. Yeah, let's take this. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. No, but but look at that. Yeah.
Stop.
No, I love your fingers today. Did that scare you?
I was not prepared.
Okay.
No, but it was awesome. I love that. Ignore me.
No, it's cool. It's cool. Just because you were scared doesn't mean I would stop doing that.
Okay, good.
What are we waiting for?
People crossing.
You know what?
No.
Yeah, no.
Look at the clouds though.
Look at the what?
Clouds?
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Many months later.
Here.
No, it sucks ass.
The old narrator got tired of waiting, and they had to hire a new one.
Why wouldn't they drive, man?
Because it's 7:44. Everyone is going home.
We're not going home.
Everyone is leaving work.
I'm not leaving work.
Beautiful clouds again. Oh my god.
What?
I said beautiful clouds again. There.
Oh yeah. Holy shit, this is beautiful actually. Oh. If you tickle me too much and I let my feet go, we're gonna roll.
I'm gonna do it while you drive.
No. Shortcut. Okay, you, milady, can get off. All right, let's go in.
Cool, let's go.
Oh, this was quite the ride, right?
It's just really
Yeah.
warm.
Yeah, it was really hot actually. Go ahead.
I put it in the wrong way, I'm sorry.
Look at this, guys. Beautifully executed. I rate probably 8 out of 10. Would drink again. Look. Awesome.
Eventually.
Give me a high five. I said I was trying not to hold your hand.
Ah, okay. I know it's hard.
I get scared. So I need somebody to hold my hand. A lot of this. Harlı saklayacağım ha. Dahasini? Alright. Let's see. You don't have to get off.
I do or I don't?
You don't have to.
Okay.
Oh. Torsazları. Oh, I love this. Yanali do? Oh, wait. Oh. Hold on, I gotta get my wallet out. Can you? Yeah, that's good. You okay there?
What?
You're right there?
Yes.
You're all silent all of a sudden.
I'm having an amazing time.
Really?
Yeah.
You're actually liking this.
Fuck yeah.
Awesome. I am so happy to hear that. Was that bitch trying to race us or what? Fucking get out of here. I'm the boss of the town, right?
Fuck yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah, dude.
Awesome. Man, yeah, this was a little awesome. You know what I like about you?
What?
You're like my kind of girl, you know, like you really enjoy this as well.
Oh my god.
No, like, fuck yeah. I don't like girls that, oh no, that's scary. How do you feel so far?
Awesome.
That's fine.
Did you expect another answer?
I guess I'd love to hear more.
It's awesome. It's amazing. I'm developing an addiction to speed.
Awesome. I know, I've been there. Welcome to my life, I guess.
Fuck yeah.
Give me a fist bump. Fuck yeah.